Essence is a powerful learning tool that uses natural language processing and speech recognition to assist in audience understanding of presentation topics. It aims to overcome lecture-based learning barriers by providing additional context for the key topics being discussed and demystifying unfamiliar references to ensure everyone in the audience is on the same page. Moreover, Essence captures and displays images related to keywords and phrases to reinforce lecture material and increase engagement of visual learners in lecture-based education environments.
Essence uses the Google Speech Recognition service to sample microphone audio and convert it to text in real time. The generated text then passes through two different natural language processing tools, Yake for extracting keywords and phrases for topic analysis, and Spacey for determining information about the sentence structure and part of speech of each word. This data is used to extract Wikipedia text summaries and relevant Bing images to generate informative widgets and provide more details about important topics that were mentioned.
While these threads are run, a cross-platform PyQt GUI is filled with user-facing data, such as real-time metrics for text density and a word cloud for broad categorization of the topics discussed. These metrics not only aid in audience understanding of lecture topics, but also provide valuable insight for the presenter as to how their content is likely to be perceived. This makes Essence the perfect tool for ensuring effective presentations that promote accessibility and engagement for audiences of all backgrounds.
The Monroe Doctrine was a United States foreign policy position that opposed European colonialism in the Western Hemisphere. It held that any intervention in the political affairs of the Americas by foreign powers was a potential hostile act against the United States. The doctrine was central to American foreign policy for much of the 19th and early 20th centuries. President James Monroe first articulated the doctrine on December 2, 1823, during his 7th annual State of Union address to Congress, although it would not be named after him until 1850. At the time, nearly all Spanish colonies in the Americas had either achieved or were close to independence. Monroe asserted that the New World and the Old World were to remain distinctly separate spheres of influence, and thus further efforts by European powers to control or influence sovereign states in the region would be viewed as a threat to the U.S. security. In turn, the United States would be recognized and not interfere with existing European colonies, nor meddle in the internal affairs of European countries.